All right, so I just took a computational thinking quiz and like how to understand it and apply it more. And I didn't do super well, so I'm just going to kind of go through and explain some of the things that I did wrong and hopefully be able to explain what I did and what the right answer is. So, what is computational thinking? I hope I'm saying that right. But immediately I just thought, oh, obviously it's thinking like a computer because we're doing an online class and it'll just make things simpler. But really, it's not just about the computer, it's about our own logic as humans. So it's working together between humans and technology to solve problems, which I think is awesome. Everybody should use this. Next, where can computational thinking be used? So I, again, just answered a little too fast, even though this is the last one. I did answer a little too fast. Anyway, so it's not just academic disciplines, it's also non-academic settings. So you can do this as a mother, you can do this as, I almost said a coach, but that also has to do with academic. As a boss, you could do this in many different situations to solve problems, like mentioned above. Okay, next, a computer programmer creates a chess game that makes moves in response to a defined set of rules without replicating the full complexity of the emotional, biased, and distracted mental processes of human chess players. So I put pattern recognition because it's like due to responses, like the computer responds to a certain thing, but really it's abstraction. And basically, abstraction is getting rid of the unnecessary things. For example, in this, it's saying that they're only focusing on the rules, not any emotion, biases, or distractions. So you have to think a little bit, but it is abstraction. Okay, next we have a musician composes a song that reflects how she feels about a recent breakup. Again, this is abstraction because it's getting rid of, all these other factors. It's just focusing on this recent breakup. I don't know how better else to explain that. But yeah, that's what I understand from that one. The last one, it seems that I am missing all the abstraction ones, but it says a project manager uses a meeting to define the different tasks that need to be accomplished to create their product, then assigns each of those tasks to a different team member. So this is decomposition, which decomposition is where there's like a big, I guess you could say task from this example, a big task and breaking up into smaller tasks so that it's easier to get to the bottom, or it's easier to fulfill the big task. And so here it has the manager breaking up the tasks and giving them to different people instead of having them just like discuss or everybody try one thing. It's breaking it up so that they can try different things and get the best outcome. Anyway, so those are some of the things that I missed. I hope that you learned some things that I messed up on because I definitely learned from them. But thank you for listening.